Hi guys, my name is Kat and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever YouTube video that will consist of this look. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. Thank you. I'm going to start off with POREfessional. Just going to put that where my pores show the most. Then I'm going to go in with MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base Primer. Now I'm going to use Born This Way foundation in the color Warm Nude. Use my beauty blender. I'm going to use the Milk Concealer in the color Vanilla. I like this because it has marshmallow in it, so it actually kind of lifts my under eyes. I have bags due to lack of sleep. Binge watched too many TV shows. This is still not going anywhere. Putting concealer over my breakouts that did not get covered with foundation. With my beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that into my skin. My nose gets really oily really fast, so I try not to put too much product on it. I used to think that if I put a lot of product on it that it would help with the oil, but it kind of just starts to break apart in like 30 minutes. So now I don't put that much. Now I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I dip my beauty blender in there. I'm going to go ahead and put it under my eyes. With my wet beauty blender and this, I just like to melt it into my skin. Some on my nose, and on my chin, and then on the parts where I don't get as oily, I go ahead and just grab a fluffy brush and dip it into the translucent powder, and then just go ahead and swipe that just all over. Using this big powder brush, I'm going to use my Too Faced bronzer. Put it here. Do the same to the other side. Okay, I'm also gonna put some on my forehead. My stepmom came in the other day and I was really carving out my chin. I was like, this is how you get rid of a double chin. She didn't know that people actually went to that extreme. We do. Now I'm gonna use my Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D with the brush that comes with the collection. And I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this color right here and this color right here. And just bring it down. I'm just gonna use my bronzing brush and kind of just blend that out so it doesn't look too harsh. With the same palette, I'm gonna go ahead and use these two right here under my eyes, a little bit down my nose, some center of my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. Use a blush brush with my Sephora Passionate blush. So I'm going to use this brush, which is a Morphe E46, and dip it into my bronzer. And I just put that on the sides of my nose, just so that my nose isn't this just big old blob of white on my face. Put some on the bottom. Now I'm gonna go with my Laura Mercier powder again, my beauty blender in there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in the center, on the bridge of my nose, and then I just brush it off. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. I'm gonna be using my Morphe 35M palette. I just got this palette 2 days ago and I love it. It has a bunch of colors and I've been wanting to play with colors more. I usually don't. It's a little scary for me, but we're doing it. We're going to prep the eyes with the Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC. Just go ahead and use brush on there. Any brush is fine, kind of like a little flat one. Now using the color Stroke of Luck, put that into my crease with my Pro Blending Crease Brush by Crown. Now with the same brush, dip into Express Yourself. Also gonna go into the crease again. Give it a little more depth. Using my R34 Morphe brush, I'm going to go ahead and dip into Hello Sunshine. Blend out this part. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use Green with Envy, and I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. I'm gonna use it to deepen the crease. Starting off at the end, so I can get the most product on the end. This is where I want to focus the darkness and the depth. Using the same crown brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Nude. I'm gonna use this to blend the dark green that I just put there. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this Green with Envy color with my JH40 brush. I put this on my outer corner. Here we go. Okay, now using the same JH33 brush, I'm going to go ahead and dip to Express Yourself and put that on my lower lash line. Use the Green with Envy with the same brush and put that on my outer lash line right here. Now I'm going to use the same crown brush that I used with the first color that I put on. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out at the bottom. Using my Morphe M167 oval brush, I'm going to dip into the color Electric Energy. It's going to be this one right here. Before I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. This just helps so that the color can just be more vibrant. Using the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and go into Sheen Stila. Just go over that a little bit. Using my You Glow Girl and the color White Goddess, I'm going to use that and put that in my inner highlights. And use the JH39 brush. With the JH42 brush, I'm going to use that for my brown bone highlight. I'm going to go ahead and use the color Light of the Party. Into the other eye and come right back. Okay, so now that I did the other eye, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Use the InstaCurl Lash by MAC mascara. I'm going to be using the Hypnotic lashes by Morphe. So I went ahead and used the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Corrupt, and I put that on the bottom and the lower lash line. My next step is going to be to highlight. I'm going to be dipping into my BECCA Jaclyn Hill highlighter in the color Champagne Pop with my Morphe R36 highlighting brush. I'm also going to go ahead and put some on my Cupid's bow. And for the lips, I use the NYX Whip in the color Cocoa Bean. Set my face now with the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and use my Great Lash by Maybelline in the brownish black. Okay, you guys, and that is it for today's look. I hope that you guys like it. And if you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi guys. I'm using my Morphe, and for the lips today, I'm gonna be where did I put my brush?